Hello everybody! How are you all doing today? Hey! Okay, I know it looks like I literally just dyed my hair, but I didn't. Okay, last week's video was actually filmed a couple weeks before I posted it. So at this point, it's been a month, okay? I think. Maybe 3 weeks since I last dyed my hair. And I'm kind of over what I have already. I like it. I do think that it was a big vibe, but I think I'm ready to let go of the pink. Just the pink today. And I got a little idea, and the little idea came to me by a PR package. Look, oh my god. Look where I got a PR package from. This is Hayley Williams hair dyeing brand. Good Dye Young. Oh my god, they sent me a PR package and I actually can cry. That's crazy. Okay, Hayley Williams. I love her so much. Funny story, Paramore is the first ever concert I went to in my entire life. I think I was probably like 14 or 15 years old, and I saw them at like a tiny venue because it was I mean, they were already pretty big, but they weren't like that big. And yeah, it was my first ever concert, and I've been listening to them ever since then, probably earlier. Like I've been listening to Paramore for like half of my life and I absolutely love them. And yeah, Hayley Williams has their own hair dyeing brand, and they sent me a bunch of the colors, and I shall be using 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll be using these. I'm not 100% sure which I'm gonna use. I do have an inkling. That's why I came with glasses. Look. Random. Came with some spicy sunnies. Damn, these actually look so nice. And also a camera. A camera in a PR package? What the hell? That's so cool. It's like one of those super duper old ones. So yeah, without further ado, let's do my hair. I just want to have a moment for my hair, okay? My hair has been looking so good lately. Just look at the way it like waves and like, oh my god, look at it. It's being so pretty lately. Also, it is, I mean, it might not really look like it right now, but it's definitely the healthiest it has been in probably 10 years. And it's also getting like really thick again. Crazy. Turns out that when you use bleach that's less damaging to the hair, your hair gets damaged less. Wow, who would have ever thought that? On to the color. So for the color, I was thinking red, because I think that red and blue is a beautiful color combination. Honestly, what color doesn't look good with blue? Green and blue is good, pink and blue, purple and blue, yellow and blue. I don't know, I can actually see that happening too. But yeah, red and blue, perfect combination. And they sent me 2 red hair dyes. Right? 2. Yeah, 2. I'm not really sure if I want to go. I think I want to go for like a darker color, because I do love dark colors on me. But let me just swatch them and then see what they look like. Ooh. And then we can go from there. Also, it's gonna be very easy for me to cover the pink with red, because it's kind of like the same color family, you know. So I don't have to think about it like neutralizing it, anything like that. Also, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. It's just a PR package. But Hayley, if you see this, I would love to be sponsored by you. Please. Rock Lobster, very bright. Let's put it on a piece of paper. Very thick formula. Red Lobster, Rock Lobster, or I forgot the name. This one, it's a very orangey red, very bright. But I guess if I put it on top of pink, that will that cancel out the orange? I actually have no knowledge about the color wheel. What is the opposite of orange? Blue is the opposite of orange. This is pink. I don't know. Literally, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen if I put this on pink hair. We're gonna go for the darker one. Let's see. I am very much inclined to go for the dark one. Ooh. Ooh. This just made me very excited. That is a darker one. Yeah, I already know. I'm gonna go for a dark one. I was thinking of maybe like mixing the two colors together, but nah, fam. A dark, that would, yep. I say yup. Dark it is. So that one is all in. We're all in this together. I've actually never seen High School Musical. That is from High School Musical, right? I think it is. How to lighten hair, apply bleach as directed, rinse, shampoo, do not condition, dry, apply the dye and get creative with it. Get creative with it. Process for 30 min at least. Rinse with cool water. Dry and sell. Okay, so it's just hair dye. It's just hair dye, okay? We've used this before. This isn't my first rodeo, girls. Damn, she thick. She thick. Ah, look at that. Eee. That looks like a worm or poop. That's not the right color for poop though. If your poop is this color, please call a doctor immediately. That was crazy. Why is that grossing me out? Ooh. Ooh. That smell. Huh? Oh my god. What is it? This smell is so familiar. Like I'm getting, oh my god, did I just put it on my forehead? This smell is so familiar. Like it's giving me like flashbacks, but I don't know. Like flashbacks to where? You know what I mean? I have like fuzzy flashbacks. What is this smell? Oh my god, this is freaking me out. Maybe I'll know later. It smells yummy though. Very refreshing. The only issue that I have is that it's like really thick. So I don't really know how the blendability I don't know how the blendability is gonna be. Blendability is gonna be. I'm just gonna get this and just put it on my hair. Without any rhyme or reason. I'm just gonna smack it in the middle of the dab. Ooh! That's already very pretty. That is already gorgeous. Damn, that's such a different vibe from this. I love it. I kind of gotta figure out like how far down I'm gonna blend it though. Like, do I just want it to cover the pink or do I want to blend it further down? I don't know. Bang, bang, boom, boom, bing, bang, boom. Also, yeah, I'm back. I'm back to wearing no gloves. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You have seen me use gloves the last couple of months, which was a very special and rare sighting for all of you. I know, it's crazy, but the only reason why I use gloves in the last couple of hair dyeing videos is because it was sponsored videos. And the company didn't like tell me to use gloves, but I thought, yeah, maybe I just gotta act like I'm somewhat professional this time since it is sponsored and I am, you know, promoting a brand. So I was like, let me just be professional for once and use some gloves. But honest to God, I hated every second of it. I need to feel the product, you know. I will need to be one with the hair dye. So yeah, since this is not sponsored, I can actually just be my chaotic self again. But it was nice pretending to be a person who got their shit together for a couple of months, you know? Oh my god! Hey Google! Hey Google, pause your Sonos. Oh my god, I just realized that I forgot to turn off my music. Oopsie daisy! I hope that's not gonna copyright strike me. God. Yeah, I really am back to my chaotic self. My god. Okay, first half, well I guess like quarter. First quarter of my hair is done. It's not the craziest difference, but so far I like it. So far I think it's cute. Damn, yeah, lowering the developer of like my bleach has made such a huge impact on my hair. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I was using 20 volume developer for 15 years basically. Now I finally understand how some people are able to have bleached hair and have it still be healthy. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even like run my fingers through my hair. Like that's how thick it is. That's crazy. Oh, I mean I don't necessarily mind it, but it's just oh wait, like look. What is this? What's going on my head? That's crazy. I very much like the color combination of the blue and the red. Perfect. Actually, that's literally exactly what I wanted. So that's nice. Get some more hair dye. Get some more poop in the bowl. Ooh. Okay, let's do this one. Do some here. Let me just get my mirror to be safe. I'm gonna turn around and then you can see me and my back, and then I'm just gonna dye my hair. And then you can also see how healthy my hair is. Look at that shine, boy. Okay, I think I covered everything. Add some more on the sides over here. Darken it up a bit, you know, why not? Oh! That was not what I was planning on doing. Like literally at all. I hope this dye doesn't stain. Damn, look at this! I already love it! Whoa, it's not even rinsed out yet and I'm already actually obsessed with this. This is so pretty. Oh, I love dark hair. So, I shall leave this in my hair for a minimum of 30 minutes. I'm just gonna get some dinner. Make some dinner. I'm gonna make a nice pasta. Eat it. Rinse my hair out. And then I'm gonna show you the end result. Oh, it's so pretty. Damn, I'm already in love with what I created today. Okay. See you later. Alligator. Hey. Something happened that I was not planning on. And that is my hair turned purple. I don't have blue hair anymore. Pablo, what do you think of it? What do you think? It's crazy. It's all gone. Okay, you do not care? That's very fair. Okay, look, I am fully aware of the fact that if you mix red and blue, you get purple. Okay, I don't have the best knowledge about the color wheel, but that I do know. But I did not expect this hair dye to bleed so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've had other hairstyles with like multiple colors before, and yeah, the dyes do bleed a little bit, you know, here and there, but nothing as extreme as this. Oh my god, look at it. It just completely dyed my hair. I'm actually so mad about it. Because I love the blue so much. No, I was so excited for the red and blue combination. I was so excited. And now I have red and purple. Oh my god. I've never experienced anything like that in my life. Ever. Like when I was washing it out under the shower, I just knew immediately. I saw like the water coming off of my hair, and I just knew. I was like, I'm gonna have purple hair. I'm gonna have purple hair. Also, not saying that it's a bad hair dye or anything. I actually think the color looks gorgeous, like the red. And my hair is shiny, it feels nice. I love the color, easy application, you know, nothing wrong with the hair dye. It's just that it bleeds a lot, so keep that in mind. I just need a little time to adjust, but give me like 45 minutes. And I'll probably love my hair again. Ooh. Ah. So yeah. This is today's hair dyeing video. Where I accidentally dyed my hair purple. The only thing I need to do now is fix these bangs because I am kind of over them. But okay, that's for another video. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.